हे दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं एनसीईआरटी के रिप्रोडक्शन यूनिट के चैप्टर 1 रिप्रोडक्शन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म के बारे में। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। इस चैप्टर में हमारे पास मेजर टॉपिक्स कवर करने के लिए हैं लाइफ स्पैन, रिप्रोडक्शन, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, टाइप्स ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, वेजिटेटिव प्रोपगेशन। पहले हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं लाइफ स्पैन। The period from birth to natural death of an individual is considered as its lifespan. Lifespan of organisms are not necessarily correlated with their sizes. Whatever be the lifespan, death of every individual organism is certainty. That is, no individual is immortal except single-celled organism. लाइफ स्पैन एनिमल्स या ऑर्गेनिज्म के हमारे पास लाइफ स्पैन है। पैरेट के जैसे 140 ईयर्स, टोर्टोइज के 100 ईयर्स या 150 ईयर्स, बटरफ्लाई के 1 to 2 वीक्स एंड डॉग के 13 ईयर्स। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारे पास रिप्रोडक्शन। रिप्रोडक्शन इज अ बायोलॉजिकल प्रोसेस इन विच एन ऑर्गेनिज्म गिव राइज टू यंग वंस सिमिलर टू इटसेल्फ with or without fusion of gametes. Reproduction enables the continuity of species generation to generation. So now let's discuss on types of reproduction. As we all know, there are two types of reproduction: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, it is a mode of reproduction in which organism give rise to offspring similar to itself without fusion of gametes. Example: amoeba and Spirogyra and etc. In sexual reproduction, it is a type of reproduction in which an organism give rise to offspring similar to itself with fusion of gametes. Its examples are, as we all know, that human beings. A short contrast or difference between sexual and asexual mode of reproduction. In sexual reproduction, two different type of parents are required. In asexual reproduction, only single parents are required. In sexual reproduction, fusion of gametes takes place, but in asexual reproduction, no fusion of gametes takes place. In sexual reproduction, fertilization occur. In asexual reproduction, fertilization does not occur. In sexual reproduction produces offspring less rapidly, but in asexual reproduction produces offspring very rapidly. In sexual reproduction, variation occurs after generation to generation. In asexual reproduction, variation does not occur, as the offspring is genetically similar to the parent. In asexual reproduction, somatic cells as a reproductive unit, and in sexual reproduction, germ cell act as reproductive unit. In sexual reproduction, reproductive organs are required. In asexual reproduction, no organs are required. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this will help you to understand easily. For more, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get notified for latest update.